Now if we introduce another light by creating a new layer, take the brush tool, reduce the hardness to 0, check the opacity, make it 100%, select a blue color of light. So we select a blue color of light and damp once. I've created a blue light. So I've created a blue color light, then we can move it about. So you see that side of the face?
Yes.
And that's exactly our target. What do we do to make it not show on this side of the background? We can mask, or we can just put an overlay. And by the time you put overlay and present, you see that light there. So you can control the intensity, either reducing the opacity or reducing the fill, or using the brush to control it. Like on this ear now, it's not supposed to be so much on the ear.